10 smart ways to keep your kitchen clean forever. Number 1. Clean as you go. Number 2. Never set dirty utensils on the counter. Number 3. Do a nightly counter sweep. Number 4. Wash tools immediately after using them. Number 5. Organize the cabinet beneath your sink. Number 6. Create kitchen counter zones. Number 7. Run the dishwasher before it's too full. Number 8. Empty the dishwasher right away. Number 9. Strive for an always empty sink. Number 10. Shut down the kitchen every night. Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.